Fetch AI is one of the few AI coins that I believe are going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And on today's update video, I will be giving you the roadmap that VeChain, that is Fetch AI, can follow to new all-time highs, and above all, discuss the 4-hour chart where we are now seeing a bit of a pullback to the lower side. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, I still maintain that from the lows we made back in 2023, we saw these impulsive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 3.479, completing the formation of these due to count 1. Then we started a massive corrective structure in the formation of that second wave, whose minimum target areas were between the 0.572 and the 1.834, which is the blue target area over here, an area that we have not fully maximized, and even at some point we overshot the target area to the lower side, though I'm still giving the bulls the benefit of doubt. And you can see that even after overshooting the target area, we are now seeing a very nice reversal to the upper side in what I'm expecting to turn out to be the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the lows we made in the formation of that wave 1 to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, I get a minimum target area for the wave 3 on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 5.766 as our minimum target area. Then we can expect a pullback in the formation of that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher to new all-time highs in the formation of that wave 5. And also remember that in the formation of the wave 3, we are hitting new all-time highs above the 5.766 as our minimum target area. So that means that it's very easy for Fetch AI to take us to new all-time highs and easily give us a 10x over here in the next coming days. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, here on the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a bullish structure to the upper side from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that we first saw these initial bounce in these 5-wave structure in a move that gave us a high above the 0.85. Then that completed the formation of that larger edge wave count 1, and having seen the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a pullback in the formation of that second wave. And because of the corrective nature in the formation of this wave 2, we also saw the formation of an ABC corrective structure, having that as the wave A, a bounce in a wave B, and then finally saw the formation of that wave C. And when it comes to minimum target areas, the target areas were given by connecting the fibs from the lows we made on the 7th of April to the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1. And the area that I was paying attention to was between the fib level 0.382 and the 7.8. And you can only see that we saw a pullback into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the 382, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside, starting another bounce in what I am assuming to be the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 1.377 as our minimum target area. So that means that in this wave 3, it's very easy for Fetch AI to get above the 1 USDT mark and continue pushing even higher, fully maximizing our minimum target areas above the 1.377. We also need to be very careful over here, because in the formation of these wave 3, we also need to see a 5-wave structure also playing out. So in this bounce over here, we could have now picked in the formation of that wave 1, and a pullback is now imminent in the formation of a second wave before we can expect the wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then fully maximize our minimum target areas above the 1.377 in the formation of that wave 5. So In case we start a pullback in the next coming hours, the area that you need to pay attention to can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made down here to the highs above the 0.91, and on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies between the feed level 0.382 and the 618, and that is between the 0.804 and the 0.739, which is the red target area over there. So in case of any pullbacks, that is the area that you need to pay attention to, because the area also needs to continue holding as support, and within the area we should start a reversal to the upper side in the formation of these wave 3. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Fetch AI to follow on the long term and also on the short term. So let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.